Where's the apron?
Did you know March is National Sauce Month?
You gonna think about the aprons
We
now?
thought we would try our hand at hollandaise sauce. Thanks to our friends at All Recipes, we have found an easy Eggs Benedict. We've already lost one person,
Yeah,
so
he's
we'll
gone.
just see how this goes. Okay, so we do have a few things laid out, including all the ingredients, which we will post on Facebook or somewhere later. Just check, whatever. Okay, so
Somewhere.
step one, in a skillet over medium-high heat,
Right.
fry the Canadian bacon
Okay,
on
there you go.
each side until evenly browned.
All right, how many pieces we need? How many are we doing?
We're doing
Four?
four.
Fill the pan.
Four, just fill
So
the
you
pan.
could do two and cut
Oh,
them,
it's
or you
tearing
could be
apart.
generous.
Oh, good
on,
Lord.
Pat.
What are these
And
made
the
out of
lights come
rubber?
on.
Take another pan.
Take a whole thing. Well, there's a lot
There you go.
of meat juice on this. Is that normal?
And then, Kent, while that bacon is cooking, fill a large saucepan with about 3 inches of water. We
Done.
have done that. And then bring to a simmer, which we have also done.
Right.
Pour in vinegar, which we have measured out.
Where? This? Is that the vinegar?
Oh, it's not measured yet.
Oh,
You've got your measuring.
got to do the vinegar, and that is
How much?
1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Then
In the
you
water.
pour it
Those
in
tongs
the
can't
water.
In the water.
Then
Oh,
you
other.
carefully break the 4 eggs into the water and cook 2 to 3 minutes.
Is that these eggs?
Those eggs, yes.
But they're all going to stick together, aren't they? How can we poach them if they're all stuck together?
Oh no, those eggs.
Yeah, you got to crack them right into the boiling
Right.
water.
Yeah,
Yes.
crack
Yes,
them
yes, yes.
right into the boiling water.
It's not boiling and simmering. Which one is this,
That's
and how
okay.
do you turn it up? It's barely simmering. How do you
Okay.
turn it up?
I don't know.
Is
Do you
it
want me to
this
keep
one
going?
here?
Friends, this is where the
Is that
wheels start to
front?
come
That's the
off.
back one.
I don't know.
is it
I have a
more
lot
now?
of hairspray in. But you eventually cook them 2 to 3
Gently.
minutes until
You're not
the
making egg drop
whites-
soup, Chief. You got to drop them in there slowly.
The drop is a drop.
that was a
It
drop.
has to go. It has to be
gotta-
hotter.
you
It's
gotta
barely.
Matt, how about you and I switch places?
Should
I
we?
think that's
Okay,
gonna
you go
be
ahead. Go,
easier.
go, go.
Yeah, there we go. That's going to be easier to reach.
All right.
Okay, so keep dropping.
Okay, well, I'm waiting for the water to get hotter so that it doesn't do what it just did. That's the back one.
Okay.
This is
I'm
the
gonna
front
go a
one.
little higher on the back one.
So after we do all that, we remove the eggs with a slotted spoon. Meanwhile, we're going to melt the butter
think
until
you're a ways
bubbly.
away from
How do you
removing
melt
the
the
eggs.
butter?
We are going to put the butter in the microwave. How long do you think it would take to do this?
What do you? What?
Oh no, you
how
need
is
to.
it
You
supposed
can't
to-
just
is
do
it
that
in
on a saucer. You got to
Is
put
it
that in a bowl.
supposed to be liquid butter?
No.
Pretty much. It's
Yes,
supposed to be
they want you to
melted.
get the
I
butter
like the way he's looking at the
bubbly.
recipe
Yeah, it's
now.
supposed to be
Oh, no,
melted.
What do we do with the
This
butter?
is going well.
Oh, apparently there's butter in
The
the
butter
deal.
has to
can
be
put it in
bubbling.
a
I
microwave.
mentioned this upstairs before the show. I was
Here,
told it
can't
would
we
all
just
be
put
fine.
it in the mug and melt it?
This is not working. The thing is
This
not
is what
hot
we would
enough.
do at my house.
How do you?
We're going to
is
put
that
this in
warmer?
for
yes,
2
right?
minutes.
Should
That
be.
fair, JT?
7?
I would think. I would think. I don't know what your problem is. My bacon's going fine.
Okay, so we're starting the butter. Give us a little bit of extra time for that. After we do have that butter, we go ahead and bring in a blender or a large food processor where we blend in the egg yolks.
Those are these guys. Somebody's already separated them. How nice.
Are those separated?
I don't know.
I think we're okay, that's fine.
He tried to separate them.
You are using your fingers?
He's separating.
Oh, man.
It's an all recipes approved device.
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream. Where's the
Yes.
heavy cream?
Right there. In the
We need
very
1 tablespoon of it.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Then cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
Cayenne
How much?
I have
that much?
That's great. And then salt. And I think we're supposed to blend it a little bit. Then
Yeah.
we're going
Is
to,
that all?
Yeah, we're going to add in half of the hot butter in a thin, steady stream.
How's your butter doing over there?
Yeah, probably
How's,
not
how's
well.
the thin, steady stream of
Where
butter
do the
working
where
out?
do
Oh
the
my
eggs?
gosh, it worked.
Did it?
Genius. Okay, half the butter in a thin, steady stream. That was a good idea.
Okay.
Into what? The blender?
Yep.
Into
so,
the
so I
blender.
think you,
You
can
need to get the
you
eggs
can
out
just
of there and
pop
put 'em on a-
this off and
So
go
that it
steady
blends
stream right in the top.
in
How about that?
at
As it-
least
as
as
it's blending?
fast
yeah,
as you are
yeah,
pouring.
yeah. Oh, you want me to pull out the poached egg?
What happened to the? Oh.
Yep. Okay. Butter's going everywhere. Then you are
Wait. Okay.
Then you're going
Just
to
half the butter, though?
Just half as of right now. Yeah.
I don't like that.
Okay.
We're gonna do that.
Blend in the lemon juice using the same method, then the remaining
much lemon
butter.
juice?
So
How's
that's
this for a
fine.
poached
How much
egg?
lemon juice?
Just
This
a dash.
right here, is this lemon
that's
juice?
it. Yeah, that's perfect.
Jim, where'd
Use
you go?
that. Jim's over there.
He,
And then
He's
it smells
halfway
like
home right
something
now.
is burning.
I'm sure it's fine.
But-
Oh, it's the. You're supposed to be watching the English muffins.
oh my gosh! It told me to change sides.
You're gonna need to get a shot of that.
I'm sure they're fine.
No,
just
they're
go,
not.
Just go.
No,
Just use the.
They're
just
not.
use
they're
the.
not fine. They're not fine.
Whose idea was it to broil the muffins?
Oh my gosh.
Just use the raw ones.
Yes, we
just
will.
use the ones that aren't
smells
toasted.
really
Pull out
bad
the
in
eggs.
here.
They're done. Look,
Okay.
right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
on here.
They're beautifully
What, the
poached.
eggs?
Yeah.
Yes.
First, here. Let's see. Look at this.
Eggs
the magic is
Benedict.
about to happen.
Oh my
Should
god.
we-
That was set to
Look at that.
555
Well, it
degrees.
was the
Well,
broil.
it's a broiler.
It was the broiler. Throw your hollandaise on there. We were probably
Yeah.
supposed to put the ham on first. 'cause
So if you
wanna
want
see
to
the
try
egg.
this, we
Is
will.
this done now?
I have no idea.
Well, where did you?
Are we supposed to warm that up or anything?
I would
or-
just put it on.
Sure, it's fine.
And a reminder, all recipes is owned by the same organization that owns us, the Meredith Corporation.
Much
owns
to their
us.
chagrin.
It owns us.
Yeah, they're having second
Yeah.
thoughts about that.
Just
It-
on top of the ham?
It smells
I think the
awful
eggs are
in
supposed to go
here.
on top. Should have been ham, egg.
Well, you told me to
sauce.
put the eggs on the muffins.
There's much more ahead on